Welcome! If you're missing Snapchat story updates or want a quicker way to spot them right from your home screen, enabling app icon badges is a simple but powerful fix. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on app icon badges specifically for Snapchat story reminder notifications. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app permissions and notification controls are managed. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will show you a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, find and tap on Snapchat. You'll be taken to the app's settings page where you can customize how Snapchat behaves on your phone. Next, tap on Notifications. This section controls everything related to alerts, sounds, and badges. From here, tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat separates different types of notifications, so you can fine-tune them individually. Scroll through the list and tap on Story Reminders. These are the notifications that alert you when your friends post new stories or updates. Now, look for the option labeled App Icon Badges and toggle it on. Once enabled, you'll start seeing a small badge or number on the Snapchat app icon whenever there are unread story reminders. That's it. You've successfully enabled app icon badges for Snapchat story reminders. With this turned on, you won't have to open the app constantly to check for updates. A quick glance at your home screen will tell you if there's something new waiting for you. If this helped you, make sure to check out more quick guides like this to get the most out of your apps and notifications.